Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Blend modes are one of Photoshop's most misunderstood features and one of its most powerful. Every blend mode uses a mathematical formula to determine how a layer's pixels interact with the layer beneath. Multiply darkens. Imagine placing two transparency sheets on top of each other on a projector. Screen lightens. It is like projecting two slides simultaneously. Overlay simultaneously darkens darks and lightens lights, boosting contrast dramatically. Soft light does the same, but more gently. Here's a workflow shortcut. With the Move tool selected, press Shift plus the plus or minus key to cycle through every blend mode in real time. Most professional composites rely on Multiply for shadows, Screen for glows, and Soft light for texture overlays. Understanding the math means choosing with